Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix late notifications on Messenger. So let's get started. Well, if you're always getting late notifications on Messenger, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up our settings. After that, we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on battery. After that, we're going to tap on current mode. And as you see here, it is set to balanced. Now, if it is set to battery saver, then change it to balanced, because if it is set to battery saver, that will prevent Messenger from getting any sort of notification. So make sure to set it to balanced. Now, the second thing we're going to do to fix this problem, we're going to go out from here and swipe down from the right corner of your screen and make sure that the Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, because that will prevent any notification from coming through to your phone. So if it is turned on, just turn it off. And like that, you won't get any late notifications on Messenger. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.